Okay, cool. Look, you want to make money online, but first you got to know who you are. Because if you don't know who you are, who do you know who you're talking to? How can you help someone without knowing who you are to help them and where they are? You have to provide a solution, not just you have something that can make money. There's a lot of opportunities and things online. People can make money offline and online. The thing is to create a solution for what you have, right? They are things that you can research first before you get into any niche. If you're not sure, then set a wealth chat with me. Let's figure out what your God-given talent is so you can figure out what your lineage is going to eat off of because of what you do today. You see, you have to plant seeds in something that you will be in a product of. And then you have to not only give of yourself, but you also have to help people. It's not about just providing them with a solution or a link to a site. It's about providing help and leading people to a financial solution that is benefiting you. Make sense?